What's happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Today is another one of these days that end in Y, so you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale. And today, I am going out to Lake Lanier. I'm going to fish with my buddy Big Play Ray. He's been catching some hogs out there. We had a little bit of a weather change, so when it's the springtime, it's hit or miss in the springtime, because those crappie, when they're spawning, they'll go in, you get a weather change, they'll come back out. I find the spring one of the toughest seasons to catch crappie. I can catch them, but on Oconee, I'm always sniper fishing for them, but they're hard to find. I hardly ever find spawning beds where I can just pull around left and right, but I like what I'm doing on Oconee. I'm gonna come up here to Lake Lanier, see if we can catch some of these Lake Lanier slabs. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Remember, I'm looking.
I'm gonna let you catch the first fish too, buddy.
Shit, man, hey. I don't know, last time I was out here, man, I ain't catch, you caught 8 before I caught 1, remember?
Well, I gave you a head start then.
Okay, I'll take the head start. Yep, I gotta get it how I can get it. Yeah, I won't go hungry. I ain't worried about being hungry. I'm worried about being able to keep my lights on. That's illegal. I say that's illegal. It is. Because they wrote the law against it. Don't ask me how. I just know what. I can tell you what. I can tell you a whole bunch of hows. Or I can tell you a bunch of, yeah, I can tell you what. I can tell you what. Oh, look at the baby. So here's what the trick is. Here's how you can bag it. What they can't do, they can't get you with that. And I'll tell her why. Like, look, one gonna bring drama. Come up here talking that mess with him and Nikki. I'm telling him he can't come. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do him like Warren did, like Earl did. Oh, I got a fish on the boat. He's gonna let me catch 9 before I caught 1 this time.
Them mark.
Hold on for a minute. What?
I said them all going to Al. He don't even know it yet.
You want to keep it? Yeah, I was about to pitch it. You messing up my day.
My mojo.
I'll holler later.
If I pick one off the top, it was bigger.
The ones off top were bigger?
They were. Ooh, I'm sorry.
Skirt!
He popped him.
Oh, okay, I got you. I thought you were saying you putting a stash of chicken to the side for me. Okay, I got you. Yeah, okay. This is what we do.
There you go.
It should make a good whole fry.
Yeah.
That's what he's doing. They ain't big, but it's one.
Crappie shaming.
Huh?
I said don't crappie shame.
I like that word. Yeah, I'm gonna start using that. Or you a crappie shamer. What do you mean? Not just bullshit. Shamer.
Hey, stop the splashing.
Oh shoot. Well, yeah. You ain't gonna hear me complain about it. Not at all. Mm-hmm. I got you. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be afternoon. I wanna say they said
Oh, he's coming up in there too.
Ooh! Oh, as I said, I see one coming up. As you bringing him up. Oh. Okay.
Gave him back.
Yep. Yep.
Devoted him to science. Me too. I didn't want you to be showing off on me. That's you in there?
I thought that was me down there. That's a little better fish. A little better fish. No. We got about 4 or 5.
Yeah. Me too.
Thank you. That's a better fish.
Same old thing.
That's a nice fish.
Nothing. Every time I seem to find the right girl, she turns out to be the very wrong girl. How can I make this madness stop? I want somebody to love me for me. Not because I'm big play Ray.
Black, that tuxedo? No. It's got a big old fat belly. Are those eggs or is those shad that they're down there eating?
Come on.
All right, that's what we got in the live well.
You nice ones.
Yep. So folks, that is gonna wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. It's getting warm out here. Pollen's in the water up here on Lake Lanier too. Big Play Ray, what you gotta say, man? What you gotta say?
A difference a day makes. So I was hitting some spots. I knew they were spawning. So I wanted my boy Drysdale to get the Big Play Ray Drysdale experience. Fix my clothes, my wife be getting mad at me. With my hood wrap around. And there you go.
Alright, there you go.
And cool weather pushed them out. We caught a couple nice ones, but no, didn't do too bad. I eat him.
They're gonna all stink up the grease though.
Yeah. You know, you get spoiled. Now they're probably about 11, maybe 12-inch crappie.
That's more than 11 inch right there.
He's boy. Oh well, he's bigger than the scale. So, but
That's a Shirley.
Yeah, that lets you know how spoiled I got over the last couple weeks. So
What's that new word you told me today? Crappie shaming?
Crappie shaming.
Yeah, so
you know, some of these that's all I got for you. So looks like we still caught about 15 of them.
this was in Narwhal?
Yeah.
15 pieces good enough to get you 30
Fillets.
30 fillets. So folks, as always, thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. Who we meet out there? What's that guy's name?
Hoyt.
Hoyt. Shout out to you, Hoyt. Next time you're overseas, holla, leave me a comment, man. Say, hey, watching from overseas. To my subscribers, you already know what it is. My long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you, you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, Big Play Ray, catching more of these even but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Big Play, we out here.